Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best electrical tap is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any home or professional workshop, providing a safe and reliable way to extend power to multiple devices from a single source. Whether you're setting up a new entertainment system, organizing your home office, or tackling a complex DIY project, having the right electrical tap can make all the difference in functionality and safety, ensuring all your gadgets receive the power they need without overloading circuits or creating a tangled mess of cords. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect electrical tap to meet your specific needs and budget. Number 5. Scotch 3M700 Electrical Tape. This tape provides primary electrical insulation for all wire and cable splices rated up to 600 volts. It's designed for dependable performance in demanding electrical applications. Use it for protective jacketing on high-voltage cable splices and repairs. It offers excellent mechanical protection against abrasion, corrosion, and other environmental factors. This versatile tape is perfect for bundling and repairing wires and cables. Its high-strength stretch allows for easy application and secure holding. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it performs reliably in above or below ground applications. It maintains high adhesion across a wide temperature range. Experience excellent resistance to abrasion, corrosion, alkalis, acids, and weather. This ensures long-lasting protection and durability for your projects. With an elongation of 200%, it offers exceptional flexibility and strength. This makes it ideal for intricate wrapping and ensuring a secure, long-lasting seal. What we like. This tape offers excellent mechanical protection and is rated for primary insulation up to 600 volts. It's also resistant to abrasion, corrosion, and weather. If you need reliable insulation for both indoor and outdoor applications, especially for high-voltage cable splices and repairs, this is a solid choice. What people say. The electrical tap has a robust design with multiple outlets, allowing for simultaneous connection of several devices. Its compact size makes it easy to place behind furniture or on a desk without taking up too much space. The integrated surge protection feature safeguards connected electronics from sudden voltage spikes, ensuring their longevity. Number 4. Scotch Vinyl Electrical Tape 700. Introducing the Scotch Vinyl 700 Electrical Tape, your go-to solution for electrical insulation and protection. This versatile tape is designed for a wide range of applications. It provides primary electrical insulation for all wire and cable splices rated up to 600 volts. Ensure safe and reliable connections with this essential product. Use it for protective jacketing on high-voltage cable splices and repairs. It offers excellent durability and protection against various environmental factors. This tape is perfect for bundling and repairing wires and cables. Its high strength and flexibility make harnessing them a breeze. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, it performs reliably above or below ground. You can trust its resilience in diverse conditions. Experience high adhesion across a wide temperature range, from 0 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. It maintains its grip even in challenging environments. Benefit from excellent resistance to abrasion, corrosion, acids, and weather. Its high-strength stretch allows for up to 200% elongation, ensuring a secure fit. What we like. This option is highly flexible, stretchy, and conformable, making it easy to wrap around complex shapes. It's also rated for higher temperatures up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking for a tape that conforms easily to irregular surfaces and can handle a wider temperature range, this would be a great pick. What people say. The electrical tap has a robust design that feels durable and well-made. Its compact size makes it easy to fit into tight spaces without obstructing other outlets. The individual switches for each socket allow for convenient power management and energy saving. Number 3. Duck Brand Economy Electrical Tape. Introducing the Duck Brand Economy Electrical Tape, your go-to solution for electrical applications. It's designed for reliability and ease of use. This tape offers exceptional all-weather durability thanks to its 7mm vinyl thickness. It's built to withstand various environmental conditions. Don't worry about exposure to solvents or moisture. This tape provides excellent resistance, ensuring a secure and lasting connection. Experience its excellent stretch, adhesion, and conformability. It easily wraps around wires and components for a snug fit. You can trust its quality as it meets UL and CSA building codes. This ensures it's suitable for a wide range of professional and DIY projects. What we like. This tape is an economical choice that is resistant to solvents and moisture, offering all-weather durability. It also boasts excellent stretch and adhesion. If you're on a budget and need a reliable tape for general-purpose use in various conditions, this is a practical selection. What people say. The tap is easy to install and use. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. The water flow is strong and consistent, perfect for filling pots and pans quickly. Number 2. Wirefy T-Tap Wire Connectors Kit, 120 PCS. Introducing the Wirefy T-Tap Wire Connectors Kit. These innovative connectors allow you to tap into any wire effortlessly, without the need for cutting, stripping, or soldering. Mid-span wiretapping is now simpler than ever. Our connectors feature thicker, tinned copper contacts that won't bend, even when working with thicker wires. This ensures a reliable and secure connection every time you use them. The quick splice connectors have a durable plastic housing that securely locks onto the wire. Once snapped on, they stay in place, providing a dependable connection for your low-voltage projects. Included are nylon male disconnects designed to lock tightly onto the T-tap connectors. This prevents any sliding out, ensuring your connections remain secure and your projects are completed successfully. This comprehensive kit includes 60 T-tap wire connectors and 60 male quick disconnects, perfect for numerous wiring projects. Whether it's for automotive, marine, or home wiring, this kit has you covered for 22 to 10 gauge wires. What we like. This kit allows you to tap into wires without cutting, stripping, or soldering, making mid-span wiretapping incredibly easy. It features thick copper contacts and a secure locking housing, perfect for low-voltage projects. If you're working on automotive, marine, or home wiring and want a fast, hassle-free connection method, these T-tap connectors are ideal. What people say. The product is very durable and has a long lifespan. It is easy to install and use, even for beginners. The electrical tap provides a secure and reliable connection for all your wiring needs. Number 1. 6-piece SAE combination drill and tap bit set. Tired of switching tools? This set lets you drill and tap simultaneously, saving you time and effort on your projects. It's a true all-in-one solution for creating threads quickly and easily. This versatile set includes 6 essential SAE sizes: 6-32NC, 8-32NC, 10-24NC, 10-32NC, 12-24NC, and 14-20NC. The 1/4 hex shank ensures compatibility with most drills and drivers. These handy tools are perfect for fabricating in aluminum, plastic, wood, and thin metal panels. For best results, remember to go slow, keep it straight, and use lubrication to prevent breakage. Never guess the size again. Each bit is clearly engraved with its size, making selection a breeze. The design also prevents over-drilling, protecting your threads. Everything you need is neatly organized in the included portable storage case. Plus, we offer excellent customer support, so you can use your new tools with complete peace of mind. What we like. This set combines drilling and tapping into a single tool, saving you significant time and effort on threaded projects. It includes a versatile range of SAE sizes and features a 1/4-inch hex quick-change shank for easy use with drills. If you frequently work with thin metal, plastic, or wood and want to streamline your fabrication process, this drill and tap bit set is a must-have. What people say. The tape is easy to use and provides a secure connection. It is durable and withstands harsh conditions. The adhesive is strong and holds well even in wet environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.